every day.
Hey guys, Aaron from A.T.E. Outdoors. I'm up here at the Aquaponics Association Conference, and we're touring one of the only commercial aquaponics facility in the state of New Mexico. They said we could take videos, so here is here's their fish tanks. They've got about 300 tilapia per tank. Look at those. That is so cool. Yeah, we got some really awesome stuff going on in here. And so he said that they're on city water. So they got these degassing tanks that it opens up my ideas with my future facility. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool stuff. But I'll do one of these little tiny videos in each room. Look at those. I love tilapia. They're such a cool fish. Can't wait to get the permits for them. Yeah. Alright, so here we've got their big drum filter that pulls solids. They said it's about $5,000. That's a nice thing. Then it goes up into the main filter area. And there's some cool setups over here. This is these are their old setups. They're made with plywood and stuff, and then they got some new ones further down. We'll be going to see. But here's the bead filter and mineralization.
Oh, they're going this way. Yeah. So that's why the whole So when you pull, it's easy way to pull that more as opposed to what I'm more like that.
This is their seedling area. Looks like those might be getting ready to go in later. They do a lot of romaine and culinary herbs. That is awesome. Alright, so here's some of their new tubs. I'm actually going to look into getting some of those so I can set them up. And here's their aero area, their hydroponics. Hey, here's their seedling stuff. Hey, they have a lot better success getting the basil going.
Well, I think it's on the American picture when you said in Mexico. So we start our seeds here. There's mats. We fill them a little bit with water. We cover them. Once they pop, stick them here. See the different variations of growth.
No. This is my book, right? I believe
And so we have a pump system. We have two pumps running. One running over to the microgreens and one running to the fish system. Most places will run hydroponic solution for their seedlings to give them that little bit of boost. We were running about 12 shibunkin, and then now there's about 300 3-inch tilapia in there. You'll see them swimming around at the front. And it's a great way to get things going. This is a closed loop system that's constantly pouring in, so the water level remains constant. And we have the second set up for when we get our new shelving online and we're going to be growing out more. This system, or this half of the system, is about 2,000 plants.
All right, so that is the end of our tour here at Desert Verde Farm. It was fantastic, and I made some good connections. So I'll be in touch with them to talk to them about doing that kind of stuff in the future. All right, you guys have a good one.